Hello and welcome back to video 13. In this video we're going to look at automation. Automation is the process of programming changes to parameter effects. It's a really fun tool to use. If we go to the top left, we see this little icon with two circles and some lines. Click on it and this will show and hide the automation. If you turn it on, you can see that each track now brings up a new set of options on the left and it has these lines going across. The first change we're going to make is to the lead synth track. So if you click on the drop down menu where it says volume, and we're going to click on pan. Panning refers to positioning a sound source within the stereo field from left to right. For example, you can make an instrument sound like it's coming completely out of the left speaker or the right speaker, or somewhere in between. With this dotted line in the middle, it means it's in the middle of the stereo field. It is going to come out evenly between both speakers. I'm going to put 3 dots at the beginning of bar 9, 13 and 17, and I'm going to drag the middle one up. This means it's going towards the right field. Let's have a listen. Sounds pretty cool. If you listen with headphones on, you'll hear that in the middle, the sound then moves to the right headphone. So we're going to come and do the same at bar 33, but this time I'm going to get it going into the left speaker or headphone, and I'm going to go all the way to the left. So drag that circle all the way to the bottom. Moving on to the vocals, you can see that when you open up the drop-down menu, you can see all of the parameters and your effects that you put on the track, which is really cool. I'm going to change how much of the filter echo we put on in the last video that I hear. So this is going to be the filter echo mix. This is what it sounds like at the moment. It sounds quite echoey and I only want to hear it on the last phrase, so I'm going to put in a couple of dots to take down the mix. So let's bring it down to 0, and then right at the end I want to hear some echo coming in. So we're going to boost this up, and then we're going to make sure that we put it back down to 0 again afterwards. You can hear how the echo suddenly turns on. Release me from this daydream. Release me from this daydream. Release me from this daydream. Just going to bring it back down to 0 afterwards. Release me from this daydream. Gives a really nice effect. And we're going to do exactly the same for the second vocal line. Release me from this daydream. This was me playing around with the volume, but I decided I didn't like it. Release me from this daydream. To delete anything you've done, you can click the undo button, or you can select the circles and click delete or backspace. It sounds really cool. Make sure to save your work and play around with automation. Get creative and try to come up with any cool sounds and effects. The best way to learn is by playing around and having a go yourself, so don't feel like you have to copy exactly what I've done here in this video. Save your work and I'll see you in the next video.